In section 2 of chapter 3, the weighted mean is discussed. The weighted mean of a set of numbers x1, x2, etc., with corresponding weights w1, w2, until we reach the last number, is computed with the following formula. The weighted mean is equal x bars of w equals w1 times x1 plus w2 times x2, etc., divided by the summation of the weights w1 plus w2, etc. And let me give you an example. The Cutter Construction Company pays its hourly employees $16.50, $19, and $25, all $25 per hour. The 26 hourly employees, 14 are paid $16.50, 10 are paid $19, and 2 are paid $25. What does it mean hourly rate paid for the 26 employees? Notice that $25 are paid to only 2 employees, and $16.50 are paid to 14 employees. And of course, $19 are paid to 10 employees. So what we have is a case of 3 different numbers that are not equally weighted or weighted. For example, if I calculate the average, the normal, using the formula that is used for the average, general formula, we have to add 1650 and 19 and 25 and divide that by 3. That's all we do in an average. Add the numbers and divide by 3. Okay, and we'll have a calculator here. 16.5 plus 19 plus 25, that is 60.5 divided by 3, and that is equal to 2016. I think it is 60 divided 2016. But that is assuming equal weight, and the weighted mean is a formula that is used as a broad formula that can be used for any kind of average, whether it is a weighted mean or also the normal average. And the normal average that the average that we calculate often, like this one here, is a special case where the weights are equal. In this case, we have 1/3 times 1650 plus 1/3 times 19 plus 1/3 again times 25. All right, and we divide this by the summation of the weights. Notice I'm using the weighted formula, and I get the same result. 2016 divided by 1 is equal to 2016. So notice that we are using equal weights. So each one of the values is equally important, which is not true because there are different number of employees being paid the different wages. So the way to do it is to multiply each wage, 16, 15, 19, and 25, by the corresponding number of employees, 14, 10, and 2. So 14 times 1650 plus 10 times 19 plus 2 times 25. Divide that by the summation of the weights, 14 plus 10 plus 2. And that is equal to 18.11, which is not 2016, if you notice. They're different because the weighted mean is more accurate, because it takes into consideration the different importance of each value. Now this one can be used also for, the geometric mean can be used also to calculate your GPA. For example, if you take 3 courses and you make 2 A's and 1 C, but this course has 1 credit hour, this course has 2 credit hours, and this course has 3 credit hours. Okay, And your grades converted to the GPA values between 2 and 4, or 1 and 4, or 0 and 4 actually. This is an A. Well, let me put it right beside the A. The A is a 4, the A is a 4, and the C is a 2. So how to calculate your weighted average in this case? It'll be the first weight, number of credit hours, times 4, the first course, plus second course credit hours times the grade, which is another 4, plus finally 3 credit hours times the C, which is a 2. And then we add the weights 1 and 2 and 3, the credit hours in this case. That'll be 6. Then the numerator, I think, is 4 plus 6, 4 plus 8 plus 6. 6, 8, 14, yes, 18 divided by 6, that gives us a 3. So the GPA should be a 3. And do not make the mistake of calculating your GPA by just adding the 3 letter grades, 4 plus 4 plus 2, and divided by 3, then you mistakenly will think that your GPA should be 333 when it is actually 3. So that's the end of section 2.